Today I would like to take a few minutes to help you understand how Pitney Bowes can address the challenge that our customers face every day. Metadata management is a core foundation of any data management journey, and as you can see here, Gartner believes that without effective metadata management, connecting data in an enterprise becomes brittle, chaotic, and siloed. Spectrum Metadata Insights provides the visibility our clients need to identify the most trusted sources of data for use to satisfy a business request. It enables control of your business glossary, modeling, data federation, data discovery, data profiling, and lineage and impact analysis. When we first meet with clients and prospects, a discussion of data quality quickly leads to a level of recognition that they need help. How much help needs to be determined. So how can Pitney Bowes accelerate the process of evaluating their data? Spectrum's Metadata Insights provides two core capabilities that can help discover and profile selected data sources. The Discovery Dashboard of Metadata Insights gives you a unified view of all your configured data connections. You can discover the assets from all the connections and perform tasks on the discovered metadata. You can see here where various data sources have been discovered, showing different statistics on the number of tables, columns, views. And so if I scroll down here, you can see that the number of connections that were discovered are graphed here with the number of tables and the total number of columns. You now have the ability to search through the metadata associated with the different connections just by putting in a search here for a specific type of field name, and you come back with this easy card interface that shows you all the columns that have SSN in its field name. You can look at a specific column here from the card, and you can see the semantic type associated with it that was assigned during the discovery, and you can also assign tags for further identification and ease of access the next time you are looking for this information. I can further filter it. I can look for a specific connection type, a connection name, or I can put in a tag, and those tags are pre-populated based on what I've defined so far. If I click that, then I get only the two columns that the PII tag was associated with. Once you have discovered your data, you can now determine whether your data is fit for use. Making informed business decisions requires quality data, so it is important for you to have confidence in the completeness, correctness, and validity of your data. Incomplete records, malformed fields, and a lack of context can result in misleading or inaccurate data being delivered to your business users, which can result in flawed decisions. Metadata Insights provides profiling tools to profile files, physical data stores like databases, as well as logical models. Here on the profiling dashboard, you see a list of all the profile jobs that have been defined, the user that defined it, and other statistics if it's been run previous, the tables and records that have been sampled, and then access to reports. To set up a profile, you click here and you edit it, and you see the connection, the model, or the file that you're attaching to it, and you have a list there available to you depending on what you've selected. You can pick one table or multiple tables to actually profile, as well as individual columns, and then move to the next step, which is where the profiling rules configuration is done. Here you define the individual set of profiling rules that revolve around different kinds of semantic data type analysis, as well as general character analysis, address analysis, and then you can define custom pattern analysis. Here you have a sample size selection, and you can fetch a set of random records or a sequential set and notify by email when the work is done. The last step is to move on to naming the profile for future reference, saving it and running it, or just saving it for future execution. Once the profile job has been completed, you can actually drill into the results. The highest levels see completeness around all the rows across the tables, and then see specific information for each of the tables. You can drill in to a specific table and look at summary information around completeness, and at a table level and column level, other statistics like uniqueness of values, semantic types that were identified, statistics as far as the largest and smallest character value that's in the field, and other statistics. Scrolling back up, I'm going to drill into party and the first name column. And as I scroll down, you can see information at the column level around completeness, uniqueness, minimum maximum length of value, frequency of values, and down here text patterns around that are in that column. And then if you come down here, you can see you've got different character categories around casing, character data types, special characters, or containing spaces. And if I drill into special characters, I can see that the first name has various fields in here that are probably a problem and something we need to deal with. If I scroll back up again, I can move over to outliers, and I can see if we have any outliers, patterns, or length, or frequency. Now that you've seen how you can use these dashboards to drill into the analysis at various levels, I'd like to point out that you can also generate reports at different levels as well. Output to PDF or Excel can be accommodated, and those documents can be shared with others. You can also collaborate with comments that are included with the analysis for future reference. Now that you've seen how Metadata Insights enables effective metadata management, start the conversation today with your clients to accelerate the process. Thank you.